Hi, good morning. This is Javier from Reyes Waterfall Landscape. Okay, home. This Chula Vista work, small fountain, plastering, plaster, repair. We have here like the color is black. This is black color mixed, and this is gonna be like seal inside. It's a little water's coming out from here, and this is the seal on the bottom, like black. Pull plastering. If you want to subscribe my waterfall channel, just go and make a like in my waterfall in this channel. Yeah, let's go, guys. Do hard work. Look at this guy's working hard. So it's one show. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.